Once again, good morning to all. One by one participants are going to add. Yes, I will repeat once again regarding the virtual lab. Virtual laboratory is an on-screen stimulator or calculator on screen, on your screen, with the help of your that mobile, with the help of the laptop, PC. Yes, you can stimulate different experiments, different subject experiment. Yes, on your PC. Virtual labs do not require any additional infrastructure. What is here? For virtual lab do not require any additional infrastructure for conducting experiment at the user premises. At your premises, at your home, yes, you can perform the different experiment. And it will be the accessed remotely via internet. It is the introduction part of the virtual lab. Now today we are going to access the vlabco.in and we are going to perform the different experiment with the help of this virtual lab. It will be help you to perform the different practicals at your home and it is very interesting. Hello. Yes, it is audible. Yes, all of you getting my voice. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to start the actual experiment. Now see here, there is a one website. There are the different websites are available for the virtual lab. So here I am going to use first one vlab.co.in. It is one website, virtual labs, www.vlabco.in. Here you will get the different departments: electronics, telecommunication, electrical engineering, computer engineering. These are the different departments you can see here. Now today we are going to perform the practical with the help of the virtual lab, practicals of the digital electronics. Somewhere it is called as the digital electronics, digital technique, digital circuit design. Yes, this practical we are going to perform today. Now I am going to click here electronics and communication. See here, here labs ready for use. These are the different labs. These are ready for use. Digital logic design using gates, microcontroller, digital application lab. These are the different institutes. IIT Bombay or COP Pune, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi. These are the different institutes. Now click on digital logic design using gates. Yes, on your mobile you can zoom that screen. It will be the better. Now here, electronics and telecommunication, list of experiment, digital logic design using gates. Now click on list of experiment. For each department, this same procedure for different subject practical. Now this digital electronics or digital design or digital logic design. Yes, I think all of you studied in diploma level basic logic gates, AND gate, OR gate. After that multiplexer, demultiplexer. After that combinational and sequential circuit. Now today, with the help of this virtual lab, we are going to perform the two experiments, multiplexer and demultiplexer. Here list of experiment. These are the different experiments are available to perform under the digital logic design using gates. Here we are going to perform the two experiment, design of multiplexer circuit using gates and demultiplexer using basic logic gate. Yes. Now first, design of multiplexer using gates. Click here. Now all of you know the AND gate, OR gate. What is that AND gate, OR gate? These are the example of combinational circuits. In digital design, digital circuits are classified basically two types. One is a combinational and one is sequential. Now we take a simple example, AND gate. For the AND gate it is a logical multiplication. AND gate, it is a logical multiplication, two inputs and one output. Suppose Y is the output and AB, these are the input. So Y is equal to, yes, all of you know, it is a logical multiplication. Y is equal to A dot B. Y is depend on, yes, Y is depend on present inputs A and B. Y is depend on present inputs A and B. So it is example of combinational circuit. In a combinational circuit, present output is depend on only present input. Similarly, multiplexer, it is a one example. Hello. Yes, all of you, please mute your mics so it will not create any disturbance. Yes, all of you, please mute your mics. Now, multiplexer is an example of hello, Rutuja Karad, please mute your mic. A multiplexer using basic logic gate. Here is the aim. Now, multiplexer, it is a combined circuit. Here we have to design the multiplexer, 2:1 multiplexer with the help of the basic gate. Multiplexer, it is a device, many into one input. Student will be the understand the concept of the encoder. Yes, multiplexers and encoder, these are the same. There is a difference in between the select line combination. It is the aim. You have to design or you have to study the multiplexer theory part. Here these are the different heads: aim, theory, pretest, procedure, stimulation, post-test, and references. These are the different heads. Just like when you are going to write your experiment in a journal, in your that lab manual, there are the aim, theory, procedure, stimulation. You are going to draw the diagram. Yes, all these things are the present, but these are on the screen. Theory part. Yes, introduction. A digital multiplexer is a similar to multi-position switch with many inputs and only one output, many into one device. And there are the select lines for the control purpose. There are the select line for the control purpose. It is also the called as the channel selector or channel selector multiplexer. In short, it is called as the MUX, M-U-X. It is also called as the MUX. Yes, here is the block diagram. Block diagram of the Multiplexer. To understand the multiplexer, take a simple example. At your home, we are going to use a TV set-top box channel. For your that TV, for the set-top box, there are the number of the inputs. Number of the inputs are the present. Yes, at your home for the set-top box, there are the channel. Number of the channels are about 300, 200, 400 channels. And you are going to watch only one channel at a time. At a time, we are going to watch only one channel. It is a one output line. One output line, one channel you are going to watch. And select line. Select line, it is nothing but it is a remote in your hand. You are going to decide out of that, yes, number of the channels. Out of that number of the channels, yes, which is you have to see. You have to which one you have to watch. It is decided by this select line. Select line will acting as a just a remote in your hand. So a multiplexer has a m select lines, 2 raised to m inputs, and only one output as shown in figure. Yes, and multiplexers are available 2:1, 4:1, 8:1, 16:1, means 2 input, 1 output, 4 input, 1 output, 8 input, 1 output, 16 input, 1 output. These are the different multiplexers are available in market. Multiplexers ICs are available in the market. Now see it is a with the help of this type number of the select lines. See here for the 2:1 mux, inputs are 2, output is only 1, select lines are 1. For 4:1 mux, second 4:1 mux, yes, inputs are 4, output is 1, number of the select lines are the 2. In the similar way for 8:1, 16:1. Yes, please zoom your mobile screen. It will be more clear to all of you. Data inputs and here outputs. These are the select line block diagram of multiplexer. We can design multiplexer with the help of the basic gate, AND gate and OR gate in series. Multiplexer, it is a example of sum of the product, SOP. Multiplexer, it is example of SOP, sum of the product. We can design the multiplexer we can design a multiplexer with the help of basic gate, AND gate and OR gate in series. Now it is a procedure. Yes, read the given problem statement, prepare a function table, reduce the expression for the output, construct the logic circuit in the stimulator, stimulate and verify. Here our aim is we have to stimulate or you have to run 2:1 multiplexer with the help of this virtual lab on the stimulator. Now first we require to understand the truth table of multiplexer. For the multiplexer, for the 2:1, here inputs, these are the two inputs, D0 and D1, D1 or D0, these are the two inputs. Y, it is only one output, and it is a select line combination. It is a select line combination. Select line, it will decide either D1 connected, either D0 connected to the output Y. Here, Y is equal to D0. Y is equal to D0 when select line is equal to 0. And here Y is equal to D1 when select line is equal to 1, 1. Select line will decide either select line is equal to 0, we get the output as a D0. If select line is equal to 1, we get the output Y is equal to D1. This, for the 2:1, only one single select line. Yes, it is in short truth table of truth table of the multiplexer 2:1, and it is the equation for the 2:1 multiplex. And we have to construct this stimulation. In the stimulator you have to check it will work or not. Yes, there is a enable pin, enable or strobe. It is used in a multiplexer. Enable, it is extra pin or extra input for the enabling purpose. Yes, all of you know the enable and disable option. To start the operation of this circuit, there is a enable pin. It is used to start the operation. It is decoder it is encoder. In the encoder, select lines are going to convert into the output. It is the difference between multiplexer and encoder. Both are the same, only difference in select line. Now for this experiment, to understand the concept, there is a pre-test. Yes, while performing the practical, while performing the stimulation, there is a pre-test. See here, see the question. Pre-test multiplexer using basic logic gate. A multiplexer is there are the four options here. A multiplexer is yes, already we go from this theory part. Data selector, parallel to serial converter, design alternative to sum of the product. Yes, all these three are correct. It is called as the data selector, parallel to serial converter, design alternative to SOPs. It is the alternative for sum of the product. All of these, it is a correct answer. How many select lines are required for 32:1 mux? For 32:1 mux, there is a formula to find out the select lines. If n are the inputs, n is equal to 2 raised to m. M is the number of the select line. If there are the 32 inputs, what is the formula? N is equal to 32. When we get n is equal to 32, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. So here we require the 5 select lines for this 32:1 mux. 5 select line we require. After that, any n variable truth table can be implemented using universal logic circuit referred to as multiplexer. Yes, this statement is true. You can implement it. The enable input, there is an enable pin. When enable pin is present, that enable pin for the multiplexer, it is also called as the strobe. It is referred as the strobe enable. It is for starting the operation of multiplexer. Now for the circuit shown below, for this circuit shown below, it is an example of which one? 4 inputs. These are the 4 input, 4:1 mux, and these are the 2 select lines. It is a block diagram. It is a block for 4:1 select lines 1 0. Then output is, if select line it is a 1 0. 1 0, it is in binary, it is in decimal. 1 0, it is a 2. It is a 0 0 0 0 1, it is a 1 1 0, it is a 2. When S1 is 1 and S0 is 0, then output is, you get the output S0, that 0 it is going to connect, 0 it is going to connect to the output. See here why it is a correct option. Submit the quiz. Here you will get 5 out of 5. Yes, for each experiment, here for each experiment there is a pre-test and post-test to understand the concept. It is very useful Next part, procedure. This procedure we have to require in the stimulator. Yes, we can design the 2:1 multiplexer with the help of AND gate and OR gate in series. We are going to use here one select line. So we require the components, 2 AND gate, 1 OR gate at the output side, and 1 inverter and connecting wires. Yes, we have to just drag and drop is shown in that procedure. Now the actual, see on the screen, actual stimulation. Now we have to start multiplexing. Here, start the tweets. Now what is the question? See here. First question, which basic logic gate you will choose on the inputs of 2:1 multiplexer? For the 2:1 multiplexer, which basic gate we are going to select, we are going to choose? Yes, I will repeat here. We can design multiplexer with the help of the AND gate and OR gate in series. So at the input side, we are going to use AND gate. We are going to use AND gate. Yes. Hello. If meeting is stop in between, so I will going to share another link on the group. Join that meeting immediately. Here, timing is shown that the 10 minutes are remaining. After that, I will going to share another link on your group. Which basic gate you are going to choose as the input side? AND gate. Check the answer. Here you will get the green color. Green color means it is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which basic logic gate you will be choose on select line for 2:1 multiplexer? For select line purpose, select line either 0 or 1, we can design select line with the help of, yes, NOT gate. Yes, we require the NOT gate, inverter. Yes, here is a green. We are getting the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Which basic logic gate you will be choose on output of 2:1 mux? Output side, at the output side there is a OR gate. Output side there is a OR gate. Yes, click here, check the answer. Yes. Go for the next question. Green color shows your answer is correct. Yes, your score, you are getting the 5 marks for this stimulation test. Next, go for the next stimulator. Next stage. Yes, it is very interesting. Now here you will get the correct idea regarding the multiplexer. Here there is a juice box. It is a juice box, and these are the control inputs. These are the control inputs. Yes, 2, yes, 1, yes, 0. And these are the different juice color. These are the different juice color. See here, these are the orange, red. These are the different juice color. Now first, it is example of first one. I am going to clear. Here is the 8 inputs. 8 inputs, only one output. It is example of the 8:1. It is example of 8:1. And for the 8:1, we require the 3 select line. These are the select line. Yes, 2, yes, 1, and yes. What is the first question? What will be the value of select inputs? Yes, 2, yes, 1, yes, 0 to get the orange juice. Now, what is your requirement? At the output side, we want the orange juice. Orange at the number 5. At the number 5. 5, it is in decimal, it is in binary with the help of the 4 to 1. Yes, all of you know, with the help of the 4 to 1, 5, we can write down as 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. It is a 5. Let's submit the answer. Yes, you will get the orange juice. Next question, question number 2. It is similar. What will be the value of select inputs S2, S1, S0 to get red juice? Now, what is the requirement here? We want the red juice. Red at the number 6. Red at the number 6. So, we have to select line in this way. What is the 6? 6 in a decimal, in a binary with the help of the 4 to 1. With the help of the 4 to 1 in binary, you will get, what is here? 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. It is binary 6. We require the red juice. We require the red juice. Just submit it. Yes, here you get the red color. Here you get the red color. Next question, question number 3. Which juice would you get if the values of select inputs are 0, 0, 0? If select lines are, all 3 select lines are 0, 0, 0, you will get this first one, 0 number. 0 number, you have to select the juice color. Violet, first color is a violet. So you are getting the violet. This when 0, 0, 0. Here color it is going to change. Next, fourth question here. Which juice would you get if the values of select inputs are 0, 1, 1? 0, 1, 1. If the values of the select inputs are 0, 1, 1, then which juice you will get? 0, 1, 1. What is that 0, 1, 1? 0, 0, 0. If select lines are the 0, 0, 0, it is a 0. If select lines are the 0, 0, 1, it is a 1. If select lines are the 0, 1, 0, it is a 2. If select line it is a 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, it is a 3. So for this select line combination, 0, 1, 1, you will get green juice. Green color. Yes, green color. Submit this answer. Yes, it is correct. Next. Now, next simulation. Now, what is the benefit of this virtual lab? Yes, theory part, it will more clear with the help of this simulation. Different type of the example, you will get the correct idea, you will be clear regarding to the concept. Now it is a block of multiplexer, 2S to 1 multiplexer, D0 and D1, these are the inputs. It is the enable, select line, Y it is output, control inputs and output. Now what is here? Where to find out the answer here? There is a where to find out the output. Here none, none, none. You have to write down the outputs. And here you are getting your scorecard. Here you will get your that scorecard. Now enable. It is a strobe for the enable purpose to start the operation of this block, this IC, or to start the operation of the 2S to 1 multiplexer. There is an enable pin. And enable always active low. It must be a 0, active low. Enable for multiplexer, demultiplexer, it is active low. You have to connect that pin to the ground, to the earthing. Select inputs, either don't care conditions. I think all of you know for this don't care condition, either 0 or either 1. We can consider that don't care condition either 0 or either 1, 0, 1. Now first one, see here. For the don't care condition, if select line either 0 or either 1, output condition is 0. When select line is equal to 0, this select line is equal to 0, D0 it is going to connect. D0 it is going to connect. When select line is equal to 1, select line is equal to 1, D1 it is going to connect. Check it, submit the answer. Here, see here, correct answer, your score is 5. Now select the correct Boolean expression for the above truth table. For the 2:1 multiplexer, you have to select correct truth table. Now what is here? Only 1 minute is remaining. Yes. After the meeting is time out, I am going to share one link on your WhatsApp group. Just join that link immediately after this meeting is over. Select the correct Boolean expression for the above truth table. For this truth table, correct equation. Correct equation is D0 dot S0 bar plus D1 dot S0. It is a correct equation. Next, we have to start